Ben is going to assist Ross
Snow angel's
with a
going
snow
to
angel.
Kilberry.
Oh, dear.
Oh. Boy. Hi. Okay.
Yay.
Hey, all right.
This is our snow day.
Chili.
And this is our first stop.
Anju Noodle Bar.
Woo!
Let's go. Oh, look at that.
I don't eat wings, but I'm eating these wings. These are the best wings ever. What a great way to warm up your hands.
Anju fermented hot sauce. Well, you're supposed to slurp. You have to slurp. If you don't slurp, it's rude.
And I did exactly
You
what I
did
was
a
supposed
hell of
to
a
do.
job slurping.
Get up here. Get up here.
1, 2,
Simultaneous slurping. Stop number 2.
Tributary Brewing Company for a beer.
We warmed up at Anju. We can have a beer outside of Tributary. Beer.
Beer.
I have the Solstice beer, which is very appropriate for today. Baltic Porter, aged on not the lesser barrels.
Port barrels.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that'll warm you up.
I have the Baltic Porter. It's just always so good here. Ben is trying the Solstice.
He's a Solstice fan.
Finishing off snow day at
York
York Beach.
York Harbor Beach, Maine.
Look behind us, look behind us, look behind us. Oh, it's so beautiful, and Ben's having a good time.
It's a party animal beach. I love it.
Ben has found himself a bunch of friends. Go, Benny. Oh, this would be great. Go ahead, buddy. Hey, bud. Remember, live, love.
Travel, New England.
See you next time.
Cheers.
Bye.